Hi, in this video I will show you how to connect Gravity Forms to RapidMail using Bitflows. Bitflows is an advanced automation plugin for WordPress. It helps you create complex workflows and integrate various apps seamlessly. I have already installed the Bitflows plugin on our site. In this tutorial, I will explain how to add a recipient in RapidMail using Gravity Forms. I will use Gravity Forms as a trigger node to send a message to add a recipient in RapidMail. Step 1. Create a new flow. First, navigate to the Flows page. If you have not created any flow yet, click on the Create Flow button. Enter a name for your flow, and then click on the Create button. Once you have successfully created a new flow, it will be displayed like this. Step 2. Add Gravity Forms as a trigger. Next, let's add Gravity Forms as a trigger in our workflow. To do this, click on the plus icon. A pop-up will appear. From there, search and select Gravity Forms, Form Submission as the trigger. Now, choose the form you'd like to use from the drop-down menu. After that, click the Listen Response button. Now, I will submit a test response from Gravity Forms. Once the form submission is completed, the response will appear like this. The data will now be available in the next flow step as a variable to map. Finally, close the Trigger tab. We have successfully added a Gravity Forms trigger to our flow. Step 3. Add an action. Now I will add RapidMail as an action in the workflow. Click the plus icon again, then search and select RapidMail. Add Recipient as the action from the pop-up. Next, select a RapidMail connection from the drop-down menu. If you don't have any existing connection or want to create a new one, simply click the Add Connection button. Here, write a name for your connection. Then you will need to provide a username and password to establish a connection with RapidMail. To get your username and password, visit the RapidMail API page. Now click on the Add a New API User button and complete the API user creation process. Your API username and password will be generated. Now, copy the username, then go back to the Bitflows builder and paste it into the username field. Copy the password and paste it into the password field. Then click the Connect button. Your RapidMail node is now successfully connected to Bitflows. Next, select a recipient list from the drop-down menu that you have already created in your RapidMail account. You can also add tags from the drop-down options if needed. Now, I will map the fields from the Gravity Forms response to the RapidMail fields. After completing all the setup steps, close the Action tab. Step 4. Run a final test. Now click on the Test Flow Once button to run a test. Then submit a form to trigger a response from Gravity Forms. Once your form is successfully submitted, return to the Bitflows builder and click on the Logs button to view the details. In the Logs section, you can verify that your form submission response has been successfully captured and recorded in RapidMail. Step 5. Verify the recipient in RapidMail. Finally, go to your RapidMail dashboard and click on Recipients. Then select the recipient lists. Here, you will see that a new recipient has been successfully added to your RapidMail account. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.